Fasten your seatbelt, my friends. You're experiencing road age. Most roadways are designed to last 20 to 50 years, and as they grow older, they need proper maintenance to keep them from falling apart. Road age is everywhere. Fact is, 32% of major roads in America and nearly half in urban areas are in poor condition and need repaving or major repairs. So what's the smartest, fastest, least frustrating fix for now and for the future? Asphalt's the remedy for road age. Repaving with asphalt makes for a smooth, quiet surface. Smoother pavements last 10 to 25% longer, require less fuel use than rough roads, and cause less wear and tear on drivers and their vehicles. Smoother roads are what U.S. drivers want, but without major delays. And that's the great thing about asphalt. Repair and maintenance are effective and quick. And since there's no curing time like concrete, asphalt is ready for drivers as soon as the rollers are finished. So repaving can happen at night, with roads open by rush hour. Smoother, speedier, asphalt's the answer. For drivability, flexibility, and performance, asphalt's the remedy for road age. Find out more at driveasphalt.org.